Hi everyone, so I found my new favorite Linux, Neon Linux. The Neon Linux is about 1.6 gigabyte something. So after you select the image, right, you click next, then Linux. If you download 32-bit one, you use Ubuntu. If you use download 64-bit, you use 64. I download 32-bit one, and then you click next. And then, so let's call this as PDI. Let's say don't delete PDI. Okay. So after I select your folder and then click next, and then I set 20 GB. It will expand through. It will keep expand when it needs. So after you finish it, click finish. And then start the virtual machine. If you click your mouse inside here, right, what you need to do is press Ctrl Alt and release your keyboard, and then you can move out again for your mouse. If you click inside here again, then your mouse will be inside the virtual machine. This Neon Linux did not sponsor me, yeah. I just feel like it's a great tool to share. So this is what the Neon installer look like. So English. Each tile that usually will become more larger. So I'm not going to update it. Click continue. This is the problem if the interface is, because we haven't installed the Vmware tool, right? Then it's very hard for us to look at it. So you need to click continue. Then keyboard, we don't need to do anything because we always is using English US. And then you can choose to download updates while installing, but I'm not going to download. I'm not going to install third party also. And this setup. Click continue. And then click install now. Let's click continue. So you choose your region. I'm just going to randomly click it. Ukraine, Lithuania, Poland. What time is it now? 7. I like to do it in Belgium, France. Okay. So in the name, right, let's call this as PDI lab. Pick a username. Let's say the username is PDI. A password. Let's say the password is 1. Password is 1. And computer name, we put it as lab. PDI lab. Very beautiful. Then we choose login automatically. Click continue. And then let it finish copy the file. So long you have internet, the time would be fixed later, but I'm not sure it will fix or not. We would need to install the Vmware tool later. This thing. Yeah, we cannot expand it now. So it's already installed. I'll come back later. Okay, now we have finished install, then we could restart it. Click restart now. We go to player power, virtual machine setting. We go to CD SATA, right? Connect on power on. Disconnect it, okay? Then you click OK. Disconnect it, then click OK. And after that you return into here, you press enter. Okay, we have finished install. So the next step, what we need to do is, what I like to do is, let's go to look at the interface. So let's go to system setting, global team. I prefer dark theme. Apply. You close this. You need to click install tools and then press start and E. This is definitely if you don't know how to press this right, then you go to this one, open Dolphin File Manager here, okay? And then you scroll down, look for the removable device, Vmware tool, right? Open it, minimize it, and then press this one, minimize it, drag it to desktop, okay? After you finish extract, you can close it, open here, and then right click. And there's one thing very important, you need your terminal, type TR. You will always use terminal. So open it, and then you right click, right, pin to task manager. You will use this a lot of time, and maybe you can pin this to task manager also, so you can open the file manager at your Vim. So after, what you need to do is type in sudo, then drag the file inside here, okay, and then press enter. Then you ask for the password. Just now our password is 1, so we put 1, okay. Sudo. I never used this before, so press enter, keep pressing enter only. Okay, it has finished install, very quick. So after you finish, right, you click start, leave, and then restart. Just click OK. Just don't ask again. Click Dolphin. And then the magic would be up here. Okay. Now you can have File Manager easily open after you pin. So nice, right? Now, if you enlarge this, ta-da! You can freely enlarge already. And this is the power of the VMware tool. Let's say I type hello. I copy from my Windows. I copy text from my Windows, and then I can freely paste the text into here. Hello. See? This is the power of VMware tool, which I like a lot. So after you finish install, right, you can directly delete it. Press hold shift and then delete. Shift. Delete. Permanent delete it. And ta-da! You have finished install. Next week, right, you will be learn how to use Vim and also Java. So if you type Java now, Java is not found, right? So what you need to do is, okay, I leave this to next week. You learn this next week, okay? If you have used KDE before, right, you know you can actually tweak this type of thing. Now my interface may be not the same as you, but I'm going to show you how to tweak it. So you go to Start, and then you go to System Setting, and then you go to the colors. Go to colors, right? You can edit from the default one. I already edited it, so I'm going to show you again. So you edit it, right? Then you are going to change this selected color. Selection background color. Say you want green. Okay, so it's not good. Let's try a darker one. Something like this. Then you are going to we do the same thing for this one. Say okay. And after that, what you're going to do is, after you satisfy with the color, you click Save As, and then you either you replace it or you save it to a new theme. So for my configuration, right, I save it as Eric. So yeah, then this is my theme. Then you click Apply, click Apply, click Apply, and then you will have this type of color. And then there's one more thing you need to tweak. You go to the workspace behavior, right? You click the workspace behavior. You're going to make this animation speed to instant. If you have a very quick computer, then you might want to tweak as instant, because like open like this is very satisfying. If you have a very quick, you can work very quickly. I didn't speed up this video. This is like the actual speed. If you have a quick processor, everything is okay, then this is much better. So set the animation speed to faster, and then you can change the single click to open folder to double click. And also for desktop effect, right, you check which one you don't need. This type of thing is like actually consume your RAM power and also processor power. So if you are okay with that type of thing, then you can uncheck it. So this is my setting. Maximize morphing, screen edge. Actually, I don't need screen edge also. Translucent, squash, dialog parent, Windows aperture, desktop, slide, desktop grid, present window. Depend on you, which one you prefer. So in the screen edge, you decide whether you. So I didn't set anything, and after you set all of this, right, then your desktop is definitely much more faster than before. Okay, bye bye.